Divide 531 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 1 is 3. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 3 and it is 23. So 3 times 7 is 21. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down this 1 and it is 21. So 3 times 7 is 21. On subtracting we get 0. So 531 divided by 3 is 177. So this much for today and thanks for watching.